Hey guys, it's Jeremy here. So is using a grid necessary for logo design? So there's so many designers in the design field that always talk about gridding. You see some designers, they're always using, the Fibonacci sequence, they're using the golden ratio, but is it actually legit? Do you actually need it to create good professional logos? To be honest, you don't actually need a grid. A lot of people apply, the golden ratio and stuff, but it's actually a myth. You don't actually need to apply it to a logo. And secondly, you don't need to fake it and put grids to, make it look more cool or professional on your Instagram post. Yes, you can use basic gridding. It does help to align. And if you're doing a geometric logo or you're doing a layout maybe for a poster, grids are 100% useful for that, especially for layouts. But to do a logo, you don't always need a grid. So always think twice before you're doing it. It's always best to actually just start off with sketching. And there's a cool thing that actually helps is if you want to do more geometric and if maybe you're just using shapes in your logos, you can actually buy a dot grid moleskin or a dotted grid notebook that you can actually sketch on, and you can actually use the dots to help you guide your lines. And you can even get gridded ones as well if you just want that. And that will help you, if you want to try and get a geometric shape or design before you even take it into Illustrator, and that will really help you. So, the short answer is no, you don't need a grid, and don't feel like put pressure on yourself. You have to learn gridding and I have to make it all these circles this certain size, and you don't have to do that. If you always start off with a brand strategy and you have good sketches and you have a good concept and you know what the visual language and direction is of the logo you're trying to create and the branding, then when you create the logo, it's going to be a good concept logo. Obviously, learn the basic foundations, learn how to use the pen tool and the shape tools, and how to do different types of logos like monograms and logo marks and type marks and all that type of stuff, and that will really help you. But don't feel like you have to do a grid for every single logo. There's always a specific purpose, especially if you're doing like a geometric logo, or maybe you're doing a SpaceX logo, something like that. But yeah, that's just my thoughts on, is a grid really necessary? You can do your own research and test it out, but yeah, that's just my thoughts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe because I post videos every week. Hit the bell button as well because that will keep you updated with all the new videos that I'm posting, and so you can watch them and get them golden nuggets. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one.